a small business will have multiple of those divisions or department in if your business, even if it's small business, you'll have multiple of those divisions, even if you do not label them as such. So it's not just about content creation. So I try to see how many hours it takes me to perform some task, and see all the tasks that are required in the business as a whole. Not that every single division require my attention on a daily basis or on a weekly basis, but know the big picture and see, and then over time fill out the different functions or tasks performed underneath each division or department. So as you can see, if from here we have the CEO, that includes communication management, execution, business administration. So, and I include the CEO to encompass all the divisions in the business, and I'm the president of our business. So the COO, the chief officer or the chief operation officer, function include management of daily business operations. And underneath that, we have operating management. And operating management, that include production and manufacturing. And under production and manufacturing, we have content creation in this example. And for content creation, we have video, we have video content, we have blog articles, we have free download product that we create, and then we have product creation, we have physical product, we have digital product. So, and that is operating production and manufacturing. So now under production management, that include operation and manufacturing, I include photography, because for the products we have photography to do. Even though I try to include them under content creation, they have their department. So the department that create those things. So if you record video, you have videography department. So if you take pictures, you have photography department, whether you label it like that or not. So we have videography, we have planning and processes, so that is creating manual, and we have content, product, business goal. So pretty much like processes, and we have that department within it, and that end for the operation management. So, but under the COO, we have research development, whether you label it or not. So you have keyword research, which I just show you that I was doing for the content creation, is research. If I'm looking for a new product line to launch or improve an existing product, that's research development. So it does have its own department. You have quality control, you have analytics. So I talk about YouTube analytics, that's research development there. And then you have marketing. And marketing, when I talk about Pinterest, that I do search on Pinterest to know how I will tailor my pins, and even to create a board to publish those content that are created, to market the articles that are published on our website. So it's in some way marketing related. So when we are writing product description to list products, we will write product description in a way with search engine, certain engine optimization in mind. So copywriting is marketing related there. So you have sell, I have pricing, product pricing, orders, packaging included there, client support. So we have content and product. I have email that I have to go through, comment that I have to answer, review, feedback. And legal, so entity creation, entity renewal, those are not everyday things. IT, like online store, blog, websites, and creating the website or improving it or maintaining it is something that I review. And at this point, I'm working on a process. I'm trying to improve ninasoap.com, the website, redesign the categories there. For that will fall under IT. We have human resources, whether you label it or not. When you are thinking about training, that new skills that you want to learn or something that you want to create, and you are thinking about how you are learning how to do it, a new product, how to create a new product. So training will fall under HR. If you sew things, for instance, and you are thinking about buying air purifier to purify air in the office, that's safety. It can fall underneath human resources. Like right now, I'm running a electric heater, which sometimes is making noise in the video, but it's just cold in the office. So I'm running it, and usually I'll turn it off before I will record, but I keep it on just at a lower degree. But again, it's safety there. People working, they need to work in a safe environment. So it's there. Human resources, how to manage people working, including yourself in the business. So procurement, purchasing, shipping. My husband is a part of the business as well, but he doesn't really like to work in the business. But I noticed that he's fine buying for the business and shipping things for the business. So I just keep that section, that division for him. And then we have finance, which will include budget, accounting, inventory management, tax. So, and it follows underneath. And so now we end with the COO, and we have the CFO, Chief Financial Officer, which include cash flow, financial planning, and taxes. So those are, them, and all of them are under the CEO umbrella. So having that structure allows you to know that you have, as one person working in your business, you are the director for all those departments in your business. Therefore, it's not just product that you are creating, but you are managing the entire business. Therefore, yes, even though the content creation is just a small portion of the entire things, it's not the most important. Every single one of those departments is important because they help your business survive. So if you do not do anything finance related in your business, or tax related in your business, or bookkeeping related to your business, you neglect it completely for 1 year, you'll have problem filing your business tax, and it could pretty much put your business in trouble in some way. So it may not make you money, but it's important for your business survival. So every single area of the business is important, whether it is the portion making the money or not, is supporting the portion making the money survive and thrive. We thank you very much for watching our videos. Thank you very much for your time. We thank you very much for all your comments, and we thank you very much for all that subscribe to our channel. On our channel and on our website, we share different ways you can save money and different ways you can make money to reach your financial independence, where you do not depend on an employer to provide for your family. I'm Afiavi Liberman, creator of Liberman Consulting L.L.C YouTube channel and ninasoap.com, our blog. Thank you.